Hi guys, uh, in this video I'm gonna show you how to connect the GPS module and get the related parameters like latitude, longitude in our PC using Python programming. And this is the GPS module that we will be using for this demo. And so you can see this is a NEO V3 GPS module, and it consists of 4 pins: VCC and receiver pin and transmit pin and ground. And backside we can see there is a patch antenna, and it does not look good because it's a old piece. And we have connected this antenna with an connector here. So I'm using this TTL to USB converter to connect my GPS module to my PC using this converter. So let me connect the devices and show you how it's done. Here you can see I have connected these 4 terminals to the 4 pins of this TTL slot, and I have connected the TX to the RX of TTL and RX of GPS module to the TX of my TTL. So if we connect this USB to my system, it's working. So please make sure you place this GPS module near the window. Place the GPS module near the window, and that's it. This is the setup we need, and let's start coding. As we are done with the connections, let's now see how the data is getting received from the GPS module to our PC. So go to device manager and see in ports. It's the COM74 in which we have connected our USB to TTL device, and 74, right? And now open PuTTY software. So using this PuTTY software we can see the data which is being sent by the GPS module to our PC. And if you are 74, right? And COM74, let's open it. And this is the raw data that we are receiving from the device, GPS module, through the TTL to USB device. Now what we have to do is, by writing a Python code, we have to convert this raw data into human readable manner, means like latitudes, longitudes, like that. So let's do that. So close this thing. Open any Python IDE that you choose. I will be using Python IDE, this PyCharm. So PyCharm is normally used for it's built for Python things. So I will be using this thing. So let me get the basic setup. So this is on a basic of Python, and let's import some libraries, required libraries to complete this code. So before this, we have to install this package. Package successfully installed. Let's next select the COM port which we are going to use. 9, let's say COM port. We have seen our COM port number. It's COM 74. So just enter this here. 1, and now make that thing to start the serial communication. We need to go like this. And the baud rate which we do here. And timeout. So basically that's it. The serial communication will start here. And now let's print whether the COM port is open or not. After this, print statement execution open COM port. And if the COM port got open, then this line will be executed and this line will be printed in our terminal. So after this, we will create a loop which will be running continuously. In this, we will read the data which we are getting into serial data into dot. We have a command called read line, and this command is to read data. We need to decode that. So after decoding, and we have assigned the data which we are receiving from the serial port into the variable data, and we will print it timely in the loop. And what we will be getting is a raw NMEA data. So let's see how it will be get. So this strip is basically cut off any of its species in both the sides of the data. And so just try running this and see whether we are getting a different output. So let's run it, and you can see the raw data. It's getting printed. So now use another Python library that's called the PyNMEA2 library, which converts this raw data into the human readable values. So let's do that now. Let's start this. We will add that library outside. So this is the package that we need to install. So install that. It's getting installed. So this is the final code, and if we run this, we get the raw data. Along with the raw data, we will get the latitude and longitude value also. Let me just comment out this and run it again. Yeah, see, latitude and longitude values we are able to read from the GPS. So completed. Thank you. That's it, guys. In my next video, I will tell you about how can we upload these latitude and longitude values into the Excel sheet of your mail. Thank you and bye.